When a man marries you, it means nothing. When a man tells you that he loves you, it also means nothing. Even when a man has a child with you, it doesn't mean what we women want to believe that it means. Everything a man does for us, he takes us on dates, he spends his time, money and effort on us, we see it as proof that that man really loves us. And when he finally falls on his knees and asks us to be his wife for the rest of his life, that is for us the ultimate proof that from all the women he knows, he chooses us to spend the rest of his life with. And if all of these steps, even until marrying you and having a child with you, don't include that he feels that he wants to sacrifice part of his identity for you, then he doesn't love you enough. So instead of focusing on the ring on your finger, focus on what he had to do in order for you to get that ring. Because maybe he's a good guy and he really cares for you. But a great guy will want to sacrifice for you because next to you, he wants to become a better man. Don't tell your man what to do because you believe that if you don't say anything, nothing will be done. You may think it's a simple thing to tell him to take the garbage out because it's been sitting there for 3 days. But it's your need to control his actions that emasculate a man. And when you take the lead in the relationship, you basically become his mother. But the result will be that he will become lazy because he doesn't feel appreciated by you because you're always nagging about things that he's not doing. It can even happen that he loses his sexual desire for you because you don't give him the space to be tuned into his masculine energy. And there's one solution to this. Instead of telling him that by now the garbage is smelling and he should really take it out, you do absolutely nothing. But when he finally decides that it's time to take the garbage out because he has completely forgotten about it, you will thank him for it. Because the most important thing to any man who's in a relationship is to feel appreciated by his woman. Psychology of a man actually works like this. When he sees that you show appreciation for everything that he does, he will want to do more for you because he will want to prove that you are right about trusting how capable he is. So stop with telling him what to do and give him the space to show you what kind of man he is. And if it turns out that he's a loser because he does absolutely nothing, then you, instead of becoming his mommy and ordering him around, ask yourself why you are with him. This is how you make a man invest in you. A man will only invest his time, money and energy into a woman he thinks is valuable. And what we women often do wrong when we like a man, we try to figure out what we can do to make him see our value. But your true value to him has everything to do with who you are as a woman and not with what you do for him. Therefore, if you want a man to invest in you, you must first make sure that you invest in yourself. Be that woman who invests in her mental health because that shows you're in control of your emotions. Invest in your education because that means there's always something you can talk about. Invest in your social life because when you have a healthy group of friends and family around you, that means you have a support system and that makes you stronger as a person. When you have a full life before you meet a man, then the man who meets you and is attracted to you will understand immediately that he will have to work hard to earn a place next to you. But it's exactly him knowing that it's not going to be easy to conquer your love because you don't need him, which makes him see you as high value.